the final moments of Ramadan. The last few nights, holding within them the power to change our destiny. Have we done enough? Or will we let these precious hours slip away? These last 5 days are not ordinary. Within them may lie Laylatul Qadr, the night of decree. A night better than 1,000 months. Imagine, a single sincere dua tonight could shape the next 83 years of your life. The angels descend. Allah's mercy engulfs the believers. But are we awake to receive it? This is the moment to beg for forgiveness, to seek Jannah, to wipe away our sins. The Prophet would push himself in these nights, worshipping, giving charity, making istighfar endlessly. He knew this was the final call. And yet, how often do we let distractions steal these precious moments? Minutes spent scrolling. Are they worth losing a night that could change our eternity? The doors of Jannah are still open. The mercy of Allah is still calling you. But after these 5 nights, Ramadan will be gone. No guarantee we will see another. So tonight, will you rise? Will you pray like never before? Will you make a dua that shakes the heavens? This is your moment. The last 5 nights, make them count. May Allah accept our ibadah and grant us Laylatul Qadr. If this message touched your heart, share it with others, and subscribe to Imma Anifa for more soul-stirring reminders.